Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. Today we're turning up the heat literally as we explore the benefits of Bikram Yoga. If you're ready to detox, build strength and challenge your mind and body, Bikram Yoga might just be the practice for you. Let's dive into what makes this style of hot yoga so powerful. Bikram Yoga is practiced in a heated room, typically set at around 105 degrees with 40% humidity. This intense environment is designed to help you sweat out sins, improve flexibility, and push your limits. One of the most noticeable benefits of Bikram Yoga is its ability to enhance detoxification. As you sweat, your body naturally releases toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The heat also helps to increase your flexibility. Warm muscles are more pliable, allowing you to go deeper into poses safely and effectively. Over time, this can improve your overall range of motion and prevent injuries. Bikram Yoga's consistent sequence of 26 postures is designed to systematically work every part of your body, promoting strength, balance, and endurance. Bikram Yoga isn't just about physical benefits though. The heat, combined with the demanding nature of the poses, builds mental toughness and focus. As you hold each pose and work through the discomfort, you develop mental resilience. This meditative focus can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and bring a sense of calm to your day-to-day life. So, whether you're looking to detox, increase your flexibility, or strengthen your mind, Bikram Yoga offers an incredible full-body experience. Just remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body throughout the practice. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Unwind Vibes, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.